Hello everyone, I'm Mohammed Shoaib. So today we are live from our building, B building of our Mari State University. So today we will help you let you know the tour of interior of our building block. And you can see this is the entrance main building, and you can see that it is like multi-functional center for students. And also the entry to the university is through this metric system, like only students of Mari State University can enter inside. And during this pandemic situation also, the university has started its classes for those students who are in India, the online class, and for those who are in Russia, offline classes have started. So let's go and see how it looks like. So it's like a wonderful, pleasant gateway. Through this view, you can see our playground where students can easily play everything, and it's about the late autumn. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर जॉगिंग होता है और दूसरे भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. Where student can sit, relax, have some coffee, etc. So, this building serves for mainly for like seminar classes and some lecture classes. Usually theoretical subjects. You know, like those who are like practical, it takes place in another building. Here we have picture of some famous peer students of this university, put on their pictures and displayed. And we can find these corridors as such, and we have a computer room where students can do the computer classes. And also it is like easily accessible. We need not go outside for separate things. And yes, I think our classroom is open. So this is a typical classroom of the Mari State University. So yes, this is a wonderful arrangement for students. And also we have the board where teacher explained both practical and technological as well as written form. And also there are centrally heated systems inside the classroom, because during winters it's very cold outside, because Russia is a very cold country. So we have centrally heated system here where they can student feel like comfortable, like warm and secure. Okay. So this is a typical classroom view of this university. And yes, of course, you can see it is very good interior. And here we have like some small stationery shop where I can buy certain things like notebooks, something like that. And usually subjects like biology, chemistry, and other psychology seminar classes takes place in this building. So some practical sectors present here. And because this situation, almost classrooms are closed because students are like out of the city. Like again, photographs displayed of their teachers, professors, etc. And we can see the students who are getting out from the classes. And towards this right we have administration office, and for student queries we can approach that office. students can study like without any problem. The teacher is so calm and pleasant atmosphere. We have typical like room for teachers. And again, there is another special classroom auditorium. You can see how it is so bright. Sun rays are coming in, and it's like a typical beautiful classroom. And actually here the chromatographic center is here located. So those who are very interested in research program can take part here, chromatographic. And this is like especially for organic synthesis laboratory where like certain chemical are synthesized for practical usage, and also we have like a science laboratory, and this entire section is dedicated for that. Students can do research programs, come here, do research, etc. It's like a typical room for laboratory where they can do laboratory lab classroom. And this is what present in this building. And also in here we have the like typical laboratory part. Typical laboratory classes going on, so we didn't disturb that. So we have scientists and doctors who are working here for their research. And also, yes, I think this was a small tour of our interior building of our Mari State University. So we will finish it up with this, and in another video we will start off with our medical building, which is known as D block of our university. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.